Are you still recording?
And
Okay,
yes,
you want to open a gift?
There's one light.
You want to open a present? Stop.
I have a light.
Don't touch it.
Here.
Touch it. I'll touch it.
Open a present.
Don't think it's rescue. All I have to do is that. Whoa, Jackson! How cool is that? You gonna share it with me?
No. Show it to Daddy.
He has to share it with me. It's upside down. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. There.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Take that off of the table after Dad takes it. Whoa, it's another Rescue Hero thing. That's a big Rescue Hero. That's for big Rescue Heroes.
Are you sure? It's the little one.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but that looks like Josh's so much.
It does. It's a really cool one.
Does it record? Like Josh's? Josh's records.
Yeah, Josh's
Okay, show it to Dad.
Take all the paper off first.
I get to sit on the table since I'm the birthday boy.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you. Who did it? You? Mama. Daddy.
No, I'm just
You
kidding.
did. You did, Mommy.
I didn't really.
Because you love me.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.